Hi, Namaste friends. Let us see the COVID-19 active cases and the death rate in the numerical form, and we can say recovery cases are decreasing day by day, and we can say from yesterday the recovery cases are decreasing, even the registered cases are decreasing, and even death is decreasing, so that our doctors are working effectively to reduce the COVID-19. And a word from me: wear mask while going out, take care of your family and friends, take care of your health, and take precautions before getting COVID-19. And advice from me: wear mask while going out. Let's see today's data. Okay guys, as we can see the COVID-19 active cases which are registered today, and it is nearly 5,37,000. Yesterday it was nearly 6 lakh, and we can say the cases, registered cases are decreasing day by day. I mean, even death, we can say yesterday it was nearly we can say that it was nearly 10,000, and today also it is nearly 10,000, but it is decreased from nearly 200%. And we can say even recovery cases, we can say it is a huge impact which has reduced the recovery cases. We can say yesterday it was 7 lakh, and today it is just 5 lakh 80,000. We can say it is nearly equal to registered cases and the recovery cases. And we see new cases data according to graph. The graph is saying that clearly the cases are decreasing day by day. And if we see death, we can say death, if we see in death form, daily the death rate is decreasing slowly, not usually but slowly. If we see in tabular form, first is USA, second is India, third is Brazil, and fourth is France, and fifth is Tokyo, and sixth is Russia, seventh is UK, and eighth is Italy. We can say in USA the registered cases are 92 and death is 2. And if we see in India, there are 766. We can say the registered cases are decreasing day by day. And if we see death in India, it is nearly 3,500. And if we see Russia has registered 8,406 cases, and we can see death of 319. We can see in all the countries the cases are decreasing day by day, but all the countries who have increased the cases, I think so, they have reached the third wave COVID-19. And if you see today's registered cases are total registered cases are from yesterday, it is a huge impact. And we can say in death rate, the death rate is decreasing day by day. And if you see today's death rate, it is 1,644. And if you see recovery or newly registered cases, 75,915. So a word from me: please wear mask while going out, take precautions before getting COVID-19, and don't be careless. So that a word from me, it's from my side, then it is all left to you. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the like button. If there is any disadvantage or drawback in our videos, please comment on us. We will try to make our best videos which will be uploaded or informed to you. So thank you for watching once again.